I bet you didn't know AI is already transforming your daily life. Let's explore how. AI is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's changing the way we work and live. From manufacturing and finance to healthcare and entertainment, AI is driving efficiency and sparking innovation. But with this revolution comes disruption. Companies resisting AI are facing layoffs and closures. This means big changes for employees and job seekers. So what should you do? If you're in the workforce or entering the job market, learning AI is no longer optional, it's essential. Upskilling in AI can boost your career prospects and make you invaluable to employers. Tons of online resources are available to help you get started, so embrace the change. Don't wait for the wave to crash over you. Ride it. Explore courses, stay updated on AI trends, and be ready to pivot. The future belongs to those who adapt. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Let's navigate this AI revolution together. Stay curious and keep learning. Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. Also, share this video with your friends, family, or anyone who might find it useful. Let's spread the knowledge and keep growing together. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.